you doing over here?
Cat.
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 So we're looking for a different color and different shape. Evan, you like this leaf for your project or no? You think you can make a body from that? No? Okay, let's keep looking.
That's a big one.
Let me get one on the floor. Like this?
Yeah, this is our project.
Okay. So is that going to be the body? No? What's that going to be, the foot?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to need more.
Get the body. Yeah.
We have a lot of leaves. So we got to get enough so that way we can finish the project on time. Okay? Let's look for some more leaves. Be careful where you walk. Walk on this side where the sun is so you don't fall. Be careful, here it's going to be slippery because it was wet. Let's take your time. I just want to get those yellow leaves down there. I think those will be nice. The floor is lava. Okay, what about these mango leaves? I like this color. The yellow one. You want to get that one? What other color you like? And this one has a nice color to it too. The one next to it. Oh, but look at these. Just get these two.
I have so much.
Okay. Get those two. Okay. Do you think we can make a body from this? Do you think we can make a body?
I don't know.
You don't know? We'll try. Any other leaves you want to pick up? Okay. I think we can get some from a hibiscus, the small. There's a small leaves. You gotta go back up. Okay. Open your hand. Open your hand. Say hi. It's hot. I'm sweating already. Say hi, hello. Wait. You didn't see the tree to... Wait, I'm coming. Don't pull. So this is what she came up with. All she has to do is put her name on her paper and that's it. So this is what we got. A leaf body per se, whatever you want to call it. But this was for her art project. So I'm gonna let her put her name on and that's it. Just wanted to show you guys the finished result from the leaf that we collected the other day. Alright. So just wanted to check back in with you guys. This will be the end of the video. This is basically the finished result. Just something quick, something simple. Say hi, Evan.
Hi.
Look, hi, Halo. Halo. Look, say hi. Turn around. Yes. Say hi. Alright, you guys, so enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.